on the Disney Treasure, and this is an Oceanview family veranda. So first things first that I noticed is we have a Nemo theme room. We are on deck 11. We're in room 11522. So we are on the starboard side of the ship, but I love the Nemo theming. I love how this is like a lighter wood. So something that is different on the Treasure than any of the other on the Disney ships, this closet actually opens rather than slides, which is really nice because sometimes when the boat gets a little rocky, you can kind of hear the door going up back and front. So I love this light wood. It's not gray like the Wish. The safe is in the first closet, and then you have some drawers. And then the second closet, you have a little bit more space. They did more hanging room than they did shelving room, which is really nice. Of course, you have this two separate bathrooms. You have the bathroom with the toilet, and you have the sink in here. And then you have your AC next to the same place. You do have, they don't give you a card, so you will have to use one of your cards for this. I always bring like an old gift card that fits, because if not, the electricity won't work, the lights won't work. Then you have your shower and your tub in here. Again, this is a family veranda ocean view, so we do have a little bit more room than a regular veranda. You have a queen size bed. So they do have actually a USB-C and a USB. They also have the European plugs. Pro tip is to get a European plug on Amazon. Pack it in your suitcase, just always have it. I always bring that because one side of the bed is European, but now they do have the USB and the USB-C. Just keep that in your suitcase because you'll always forget. They have the drawers, of course, on the side of the bed. They have the Treasure blanket, which you can buy these. I think they're about $300. You just ask your stewardess and they'll get it for you. On this side of the bed, they have a USB-C port. One is covered, so I wonder if that one doesn't work. But then they have the American outlets. You can turn on the light for the artwork, turn off the light for the artwork, and have the down light. Then you can, if you're staying in here with your family, you can take this curtain and it will shield off both sides of the room. So you have your own little oasis and your kids have your own too. Or if you don't really want to stay with your spouse, just kidding. So here you have is the same exact setup as the Wish. You have drawers. You have your fridge down here. You can put your waters, like we get a water package and it all fits in there, which is really nice. Here you have your bunk bed, and you have the second, the two bunks right here. And then in here is actually the Murphy bed. Oh, it's not a Murphy bed. So I actually looked at why there was no Murphy bed in this veranda, because typically there is. And actually on the Treasure, and I'm not sure about this on the Wish, but I do know on the Treasure that if you book a category 08B, you will have the Murphy beds, which according to their website is called the lower wall pull down bed single. Now with this, if you say that you have a family of 5, you can actually see the rooms, but make sure you go back to your actual family size to adjust your sailing. Also, they are connecting, so if you are in 2.4 and 2.2, they connect. 2.2 and 2.0 do not. It will tell you what you book your cruise. So let's go out onto the dock. It is very cold. Now, we are staying with family, so we are going to take this down so we have a little bit better, more balcony space because you're on a week cruise. But it's so nice. Very similar. I love having the extra room, especially being on a 7 night, 8 day sailing. Let's see, what else? I think that's it. I'm so excited, and I love it. It's so bright, and I love that it's like not, I love the Wish, but the Wish is gray, and it's a little bit darker on the inside, and this is just like light and bright and beautiful, and I'm really excited.